Good day, guys. Welcome to Noble Creative Digital Marketing Agency. I hope you guys are doing great. So, in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you Instagram poster design. So, the size we are using this custom style, just the way you open your Pixellab and you see everything there, just leave it. So, the next thing is to change the background color to black. So, you find your background color, change it to black, good. Then you can actually delete this one. Don't need this. So, the next thing I have to do right now is to bring out the shape. Click on your plus button, click on shape. You increase the radius to this, then you change the color to black. So this now is to go to your shadow, then give it shadow, then change the color to white. So can you see it right now? Then you can actually play this one here. Good. So next thing I'm doing right now. So bring out this, bring in this the image you are using. You're only using one image, so the image will form a lot. So you are using this this one. Good. So that you can actually actually rotate it a little bit. Good. Then you place it here. Then you copy this one. Then you go to your color, give it color, and give it white color. Then you use it. Place it here. Good. So that's nice to duplicate this one. Then you place this one here. So I want to teach you one thing that you need to know right now. So let me put this one here a little bit. Okay. So let me delete this. Let me copy this one back. Good. So the next now for you to do right now is to go to your 3D rotate. Then you rotate this one. Give it the Y. Yeah. Then change okay S6. So you change like this. Then you actually rotate it like this. And place it here. Good. So the next now I want to show you something. This is what I want to show you. If you go to your color, how do I go the color filter? If you go to your color, you change to this, so we don't need this one. So now if you go to your color filter, if you want to change the color, it won't change your way. So can you see right now? So it's not giving me what I want. So the next thing I will do right now is to click on my plus button. Then I bring out the shape. So now when you bring out the shape, just put it in a way that it won't be visible. Just yeah, can you see it now? So next thing is to click on your layer, then you click on this one and on this one, then you merge it together. Can you see right now? So when you merge it together, it's only the this that is showing. Can you see it? So that that is showing, the shape is not showing. So what you need to do right now, you should go to your filter color now, the color filter, then you filter it now. So can you see it right now? So it gave me some better color than the other one. So can you see it right now? So can you see it gave me more color? You don't got more color than the other one. Good. So you can actually no, I don't want to leave it this way. Good. No, stay a little bit. Where the color filter? So this one is okay. So you play this one around there. Actually bring this one a little bit like this. Good. So next thing I'm going to do right now is you click your plus button, then you bring out this fire and this shadow. Download. So this shadow, you bring it here, then you change the color to white color. You go to your color, change it to white color. Then you go to your opacity, you reduce your opacity a little bit. Good. Then you can actually place it here. Then you click on your to back. So you can actually this from here like this. Then press this place, then drag it down. Can you see it right now? So that's going to the back of that place. So you can lock this one, you can lock on this place or this one, so that you can actually play this one here very well. Good, so I'm done with that. So the next thing is to write my quality, premium quality. So you click on your text, you bring out premium. So you leave it like this. Then you change the font to something. There are a lot of color to use, so you change it. So you can read this Amaranta board for it. Good. Okay, I love this one. I love this one. Premium quality, so you actually test again, then you write quality. So now you can write quality. So change the color of this one to red color, then place it here, then change the font to another font, visible font though. Can change the popping is visible. Popping is selling good, it's visible good. So can you see it right now? Premium quality, good. So another thing you are doing right now is you are drawing something. So make sure your hand out. Make sure you're not on anything again. So when you click here, you can click anywhere. Like you can actually lock everything. You can lock everything so that your hand will not touch anything again, because you want to draw something, you want to bring something out. So good now. So like you're good to go. After you lock everything, you go to your drawer. Can you see drawer here? So this is the drawer. So you click on the drawer. You click on this white, the white, then you read you read the pencil size to around that kind 7 or 6. Good. So now we are good to go. Then you can actually draw this thing right now. Can you see it? But this is not the best. Let me try it again. This is not the best again. No. So you have to keep trying it to bring it out. So good. So I'm done with this. So this one is actually okay for it. So another thing we're doing now is to write our mental Bluetooth. But before then, we have to write something first. So you can actually move this one a little bit, go up a little bit. So you're going to write. You're going to bring a shape. You click on this shape. You create a radius. So you leave it like this. So the next night you can actually reduce it. Good. So you place it around there. So when your place is finished, the next thing I'm going to do right now, still click on the shape, then go to your 3D rotate. Your 3D rotate. No, let's use y-axis because the y-axis is the best of it. So let's go with y-axis. Good. So you duplicate it again. Or you have to move this one to back. Move this one to back. Change this color to red. Down this one first. The color, change it to red color. Then move it to back. To back. To back. To back. To back. Good. Also this so you have to click on this one also. This one is going to back, but let's you have to do a little bit adjustment on this. On this. A little bit adjustment on this one. So it's looking like this, so you can lock it back. So the next thing is to bring this one under this good. So you have to make sure it is under the speaker. Wow, I've done it again. Good. So that is how I got this place. So now you can actually click your plus button, then write your 50% off. 50% off. So click here, then you change the font color to something. Okay, let you the popping. Okay, we are using black color for that one. So let's change the color, then let's use another font for that. So we are using popping, the popping that we use, popping black. Wake up, time to get it started. No one's gonna get in your way. No one's gonna leave you broken hearted. You don't need nobody else. Everyone knows you're doing well, so well. Yeah. So you can adjust it a little bit. Good. So we are done with that one. So let's go back to the main Bluetooth now. Right now. So I'm coming. Let me lock this place. It's this W sound. I've locked it. Good. So the next thing is you click your plug button. Then you write let me check the name. Okay, Meta. I wrote Meta there. Meta. So give it like this. Meta. Good. Then you give it something bold. Then you write put the popping black. Good. Extra. Okay, popping black is okay for it. Then you give it red color. Give it red color. Increase it a little bit. Okay, good. So what you need to do right now is to go to your 3D rotate again. You're going to rotate down also. Okay, good. So you can leave it at 31. So you copy this one again, then write BT Bluetooth speaker. So you change to capital letter. So you change this color to white color. Then you change the font to something not bold enough. So you can give it some popping. So let's go find popping again. We are using the same families for it. Popping medium, popping semi-bold. Okay. Popping semi-bold is okay for it. So now you know it is already. So you have to release it a bit. Then you place it. Yeah. So can you see it right now? So the next now is to click on the layer, go to this one, do the shape, then duplicate the shape, you duplicate it, then you place it here. So after you duplicate it, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on this quality and go to your layer, find quality, unlock it, click on it, then you change. You write your number, contact. Okay, you write contact us. Then you place it. You place it here. So you duplicate it again. Contact us. Then you now write your number. +2347038088970. So you bring it down. Make sure it is aligned. Then change its color to white color. So I'm actually bring it up a little bit because I need to write something under it again. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click here, then write www.meta btmeta.com. So change the copy letter. Then you go to your color, you select only www. Change it to red. Good. So you can actually create this one. Then place it here. And make sure they align together. You are dealing with alignment here. So if you want to make it to align, click here to bring out this. Then you click here now. Sorry. Click here. Can you see it now? So you can click on one. Then you have to make sure it is where. Bring it down here. Then you click on here again. Okay. So we are good to go. So now we are done with this. We are done with that. So another thing we have to write now is our limiter over. So let's go. That's what we are doing. You can actually bring this one up a little bit. I forgot it before, but let's still go up. Let's still do the needful. So position it up a little bit. This one too also. Including those shape also. So you can actually click on here, bring the shape. The shape should up a little bit. Also this should up a little bit. Good. So the next thing now is to click on the plus button. Then you write limiter offer. So you write your limiter offer like this. Like this. So you click here. So you change it to red color. Change the font to red color. Then you change the font to something like okay, business signature demo. So you change them. Then you can now increase the font now. Increase so this is okay with this, but it's not showing very well. So let me check if you're going to. Okay, good. So you go to your B style here. You click on B style, then you click on B to increase the font a little bit. So we are done with that. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on your save project, save it as a project, and save it as an image. Save it as PNG and save it as save to gallery. So we are done with this. Thank you for watching up to now. Don't forget to subscribe to get more updates from the channel, and don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to share the video, and don't forget to click the bell icon to be getting more updates from this video. Thank you for watching up to now.
Sip your chai, you got nothing to hide. Yeah, your future's so bright, so just smile like there's no one watching. Early morning on a Saturday, wake up, time to get it started. No one's gonna get in your way.